the question of determining the place of battle of Mahabharata came, Shri Krishna and Bhishma in one voice chose the right Panchak region of Kurukshetra. This was the place where Lord Parashurama destroyed the Kshatriyas 21 times and filled 5 ponds with their blood. Maharaja Kuru, the ancestor of the Kauravas and the Pandavas, was given a boon by Devraj Indra that whoever attains death here will surely attain heaven. That is why both of them chose this place. In time, the armies on both sides were present in Kurukshetra. Now the matter has to be decided. This was a very important task because if the war was started in the wrong time and amount, it could have an adverse effect on either side. That is why Pitamaha Bhishma, in addition to his regent, invited many astrologers from home and abroad to determine the exact time of war according to the position of planets and constellations. Those scholars counted the planets and gave many dates, but Duryodhana rejected them all. Everyone was surprised that why Duryodhana is not listening to so many astrology scholars. One day Duryodhana suddenly walked alone towards the Pandavas' camp. On seeing him thus moving to the other side, Karna and his other brothers also joined him. When his chief commander Bhishma came to know about this, he too followed him with Drona and Kripa. They feared that Duryodhana would not create a war situation in his anger before time. Seeing Duryodhana and so many warriors coming towards his camp, Bhima and Arjuna were skeptical and started to prepare for war. Seeing his brothers so excited, Yudhishthira and Krishna pacified him. When Duryodhana came there, he welcomed him and asked the reason for coming there. Duryodhana then said that he wanted to consult Sahadev for something. Everyone was surprised to hear such thing of Duryodhana. What does a person like Duryodhana, who till date has not even considered the advice of Pitamahan Guru Drona, want to consult Sahadeva? But he did not want to turn down Duryodhana's request. That's why Sahadev came forward and asked Duryodhana what advice he wanted from him. Then Duryodhana said, "O Anuj, now the war has been decided. The forces on both sides are face to face. But war cannot begin without auspicious time. I know that you are Trikaldarshi. Also astrology scholar like you is not in the whole world today. Therefore, you should use your knowledge and take out auspicious time to start this war and tell us." The Kauravas as well as the Pandavas were surprised to see Duryodhana thus speaking. Then, while explaining to his brother, Dushasana said, "Brother, what are you doing? You yourself said that Sahadeva is Trikaldarshi, but before that he is our enemy. If he deliberately told us the wrong time, then we will surely lose this war. Therefore, it would be appropriate that we fight on the muhurt decided by the father of astrology, who has been called by the father." Then Duryodhana said, "Dushasan, I have full faith that Sahadev will not cheat with us under any circumstances. This is not his nature. I know that Krishna is also a Trikaldarshi and I could have asked him the time of war too, but I do not believe in him. They can definitely cheat with us. What is the point of others on this subject? I myself cannot even believe the point of Dharmraj Yudhishthira. But I am convinced that Sahadev will not cheat with us." Bhishma and Drona also approved this talk of Duryodhana. After his orders, Sahadeva accepted to be a muhurt of war. If they wanted, they could have said such a muhurt which would have benefited the Pandavas and they would have easily won the war, but they did not do so. Sahadeva kept this auspicious time of war when the planets and the constellations were neither fruitful for the Pandavas nor for the Kauravas. So that whatever decision this war has, it should be only on the strength of its muscle. The war was fought on their auspicious time and the Pandavas won the war with the help of their ancestors and Shri Krishna.